Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to delete Wi-Fi data usage history in Android. It's important to note that Android doesn't offer a single button to erase a comprehensive log of all past Wi-Fi activity. Instead, we will focus on practical steps to manage and remove stored network data and preferences. This includes forgetting individual networks and resetting all network settings, which effectively clears much of the associated usage information from your device. To remove the history for a specific Wi-Fi network, begin by opening your phone settings application. From there, tap on Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. You will see a list of available and saved networks. Tap on the network you want to clear, then select the Forget or Delete option. This action will erase the network's saved password, security settings, and connection history from your device, requiring you to re-enter credentials if you wish to connect again. For a more comprehensive approach, you can reset all network settings on your Android device. Open the Settings app and use the search bar to find Reset Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This option is usually found under System or General Management. Confirm your choice when prompted. This action will revert all Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings to their factory defaults, effectively clearing aggregated usage data and requiring you to reconnect to all Wi-Fi networks. While not directly deleting usage history, clearing the cache of the Settings application can sometimes refresh how data usage statistics are displayed. Navigate to your phone settings, then Apps and Notifications, and find the Settings app. Tap on Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files associated with the Settings app, which might include cache display data for Wi-Fi usage. Remember, this primarily affects the app's temporary files, not core system logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.